my name is Brandy Davison and I'm a design team member with Scrap Shotz, and I'm here today with an unboxing video of our December kit. I fully recognize that I got this December kit just before Christmas, and then we had a whack load of company over the Christmas week, so I'm a little late on posting this, but still wanted to get it up for you guys because lots of goodies are still on the shop and you can still subscribe to get the kits. And over the course of like the first few weeks of January is when I'm going to start to really dive in and play with this and be sharing it. So I wanted to show you what I was working with. If you're following Scrap Shotz and any of us on the design team who are playing with the December kit, or myself on social media as well at Brandy Davison on Instagram or Scrap Story on YouTube where you're watching this, and all that other good stuff. So anyway, here we go. So this is the December Scrap Shotz kit, and I'm super excited to dig into this. So included with the kit is a bunch of embellishments, including the Flourish pack from Starry Night collection. So this is a Kaisercraft collection, and you can see there's these little trees, stars, and it's funny, what I was thinking about is all of these trees could actually be put on the side and be really cool arrows if I run out of, or frankly get sick of doing Christmas stuff, which may be possible here now that Christmas has just wrapped up and it's been all Christmas. But yeah, so I think that would be fun. So kind of multi-use there. Same with these squares and these circles. I think they could be used in other ways. So very excited about that. Also included is this really awesome twine, and it might be hard to see on there, but it is like a copper color that is built into there. It's not just brown, it does have a shine to it, and that's a good amount to use. I'm really excited about adding a little texture. Also included is the Southern Ridge Trading Companies. These are laser cut embellishments, so they're like not wood, but like a, what's the cut, like sort of wood but not quite cardboard, anyway, something in between there, you know what I'm saying. And this, yeah, Believe, which is just super cute, and I think that'll make a great title. And I actually just got some Nouveau Dot, some of the antique gold spray, that I think is actually the same kind of coppery color that is in this string and the rest of the collection, that I think I might give that a spray too to really make it pop. Very fun. Also included is half a package of the Curios for Starry Night as well from Kaisercraft. So the Curios are actual glass flare. They're heavy, they're gorgeous, they adhere really beautifully, and they're just absolutely stunning. As you can see there, I'll take the plastic off to show you. Very pretty. And as well is this is called Simplicity. This is puffy letter stickers. So in gold, love that it comes with numbers and big bold numbers. That makes me happy. And again, sort of a gold, but more on the kind of copper side of gold, not the yellow side of gold, if that makes sense. All right, so I will skip the cardstock and do those later and start first with the pattern paper. So again, the kit is largely based on the Starry Night by Kaisercraft. So here's a great B side, and there's an A side with those gold cut aparts. Aren't those beautiful? Oh, and just some really fabulous Christmas sayings. And I love that tree. That's really pretty. Okay, and here, oh sorry, and that one is called Radiant. This one here is called Magic, and these are gold glitter. I tried to kind of set my lighting so that the gold would really show and it wouldn't be too much glare. And this is the B side. Really, really cute. And these match the wood embellishments, so that's very neat. This one here is called Astounding. Oh, love it. Look at those reindeer. Those are so cute. And all glitter. Just this one is not glitter. Oh, love that. And this is the other side of that. And in Kaisercraft style, their branding strip always has a really great saying on it. Good. Oops. This one here is called, wow, Miraculous. So these are poinsettias, and it might not show. There's black, but there's also a touch of blue in some of the poinsettias. So I'll try and just wave that a little bit so you can maybe see what I'm looking at there. Yeah, and again, it's called Miraculous, and here's the B side with a great little branding strip as well, and like a marble background. This one here is called Modern. So that's fun. Those are gold poinsettias and a couple of sprigs in there as well with stars on a bit of a Starry Night muted background or marbly, and then the back is this great stars. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who's around. Very cool. Another one, this one is called Marvelous. So all the numbers up to would be really great for a December daily cut apart. How fun is that? And gold foiled again with that kind of dark blue touch. Oh, and there's those reindeers, but not in foil. Oh, very cool. He who has no Christmas in his heart will never find it under a tree. Love it. This one here is called, sorry, Glowing. And these are the same as those wood veneers, the same shape, but these are gold foiled. Again, on sort of that muted, I don't know, Starry Night-ish kind of sky watercolor. And then here's the back with the Christmas song, carries into the branding strip, and that great poinsettia. Ooh, I might need to fussy cut that guy. He's gorgeous. And this one here is called Striking, and this is that navy kind of dark color and then gold stripes, which you can never go wrong with. Oh, love this. There's your B side with the ornaments, and again, a few of those wooden flourishes match nicely. And that shape is in one of the glass enamels or flares I got. And this one's called Daring. Oh, that's beautiful. I might need to fussy cut that too. Anyway, sorry, focus. This is gold. It's got the kind of two touches of the blackish, almost black, and then the darker blue and the lighter blue. Really beautiful. You can see that kind of foil there throughout the poinsettias. And then, oh, that's a great B-side. This is a gorgeous brick wall kind of idea. Very nice. Easy, easy, easy to use. Okay, so I did open up the Starry Night die cut shapes, and there's 38 or more pieces, and so I'm just going to lay these out a little bit on these black paper here so you can sort of see, and I'll bring them closer to the camera. Like, look at that. Hello, how are you? Gorgeous. All right, so here you can see, oh, I love the big holly. That's so cute. Lots of ornaments, great number of stars, which are always awesome to pop out everywhere. And I love these little pendants here, little prezzy. And then these, they are gorgeous. Look at that. So if they look like they're sort of popping up, they are slightly embossed or reverse embossed. I'll pop a little piece out here so you can really see how gorgeous they are. But just the way that they're done really gives them such a great dimension. Like, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So here, I'll pull these up. Come on, you. Here's what they look like a little more close up so you can see the shine there. Really, really beautiful. And then, of course, with the kit as well included is some matching cardstock. So we've got 2 pieces of the black raven and a couple pieces of the basil craft, which goes really well. A couple pieces of the basil white, and then as well, and I just absolutely love this color. This is Stonehenge. Love the name, love the color, and you can see I'll just pull these back in just to give you an idea just how gorgeous those match the rest of the collection. So really fun. Loving. Oh, that's my discard piece. Really loving the colors of this. I've got some awesome photos I think that will go really well. Maybe not so much kind of the Christmas morning fun craziness, but actually some really nice posed photos around kind of Christmas lights and stuff. And I may consider doing the photos in black and white as well to really kind of bring these muted colors out and kind of pull it all together. So that is that. That is the December kit from Scrap Shotz. I will include a link below to the kit subscription. Please check it out. We'd love to have you as part of our kit subscribers. And I'll also include links to where you can find the other goodies and add-on products for the kit and all of our social media accounts as well. Look forward to sharing what I create in the first weeks of January with you. Hope you're having a wonderful December and had a great Christmas.